Hi kids! Today, we will make some arts. We need papers, yellow and orange, a glue, a pencil, scissor, and 3 different shapes of circle. First, let us trace the big circle using a pencil.
วาดวงกลมใหญ่
Draw 2 medium circle on the yellow paper.
วาดวงกลมขนาดกลาง2 วง
Next, draw another 2 circles on the orange paper. And lastly, draw 1 small circle. Let's cut the circles. Be careful in using the scissors.
ตัดวงกลม
You can ask someone older than you to help you assist in cutting the papers. 3 circles more. Separate 1 circle. And all of the circle fold into half. Slowly but surely. Let us try to assemble the circles. Now, let's form what is this?